Angie. And
Another round of applause for Dara and Judah.
Bronson. What did I tell you?
Brothers and sisters, our night is almost there.
Sit down.
That third plate that you made can go home pretty soon. But now I'm going to give some time to the bride and groom to say their thank yous. I'm sure there's a lot of people that they want to thank.
Smile.
To help bring their special day together and help to bring make their special day happen. So I'm going to turn the time over to the bride and groom for their thank yous. And I'd like to invite them to come forward. Another round of applause. Another round of applause for Joshua and Irene.
First of all, I just want to give thanks to our Heavenly Father for giving us this opportunity to be sealed to each other for all through eternity. I want to thank our families for this day wouldn't be possible for us without all of you. Traveling from afar and making those sacrifices just to be here with us. Thank you all, and thank you all for coming and sharing.
Eddie and Bonnie want water bottles. Where is they? Where's the water bottle?
In the kitchen. Are you serious?
I want to thank both sides of the family and the decorations and the food and all the entertainers tonight. And I want to thank all of you guys for coming out and supporting us. And a big step that took us a long time to do. Thank you. Benny and 209 for all your hard work. And Olo and Linda, for all your hard work and yelling and stuff. Just want to say thank you to Art School for all the love. And thank you again, and we love you all.
Sometimes things are spoken more with less words, right? I knew Irene, Josh for a while now, and they're not real, very talkative people, but they do, I'm sure that they love each and every one of us. And this is what these kind of events are for, to bring our families together, to be unified as one. That's what the Lord teaches us, that we are unified as one. And that is my prayer for tonight. My prayer for tonight is, I just hope that everybody had a great evening. All right, it's getting late. Church start early for some people. Some people are on the road. But I would like to thank everybody for coming. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for coming. Thank you for your fake laughs. Thank you for, I'm just kidding. Thank you for coming and enjoying the evening here with Josh and Irene. I do have just one little, before we close and open up the dance floor, I have, on behalf of Irene's dad, I have my friend that we knew each other back in Samoa, and he is here to say thank you.
Lamele tu fataseo ao mespat pati mo tato MC. Aptai lava. O te manatu o te le toi la langaina foil savili. Ia o toi apa foi Samoa o Samo fainta mo paia. Wa leo o mona falele le lupe o le tai au. O le foi o tu la fa no la suanga le batele. O mautu watu so tong tu pa kala. Pe ona sa no atu le fongo le asu. No manatu lea. Pa ia mo sa mo fai ngā lele wai e mo pa o le morta lea. Nuru atu ia fatino te sala. Dau fu de loa. So to e fia o Samoa wala lato mutafa i utoki. Ai o tula yatu le ngang whalo alo. E whaiaya unsui o le. Suatu o le sunga i a peni man whaltua i mese fo i tu i ainga i tu tele me tu taulangi. O te fia mongoli atu se nganga whaftai whaiaya unsui o le ainga. Haftai so Paulo ma so faman voluma so wala i malo. Ile fio le sao soli. Fio foi le matua ia i fau oile. Tamaitu tangata. So foi ali o faleono. La tailo te lengo pa pau tu fanga. E ia te oile lo ni sailua. Ia te ndane foi le susu au mo longo susu teo ma le mutua ma mea su lo soli mo malo le fofa ma lo talenga mo wiga ma to te momoni te le atu le ngai faftai ona le tapena ina ma fatiloi no le nei fa mo moi lele ua silamio pe ole talenga ya le pat a o mata no foi pelo moto do tuian loto titi faitama e a foi loto tua faitama ono loto sisina mo mau se alo fasino inas fa não foi nem tuo da tuainga ia fa malo fa tai e fa penei se mato fa talanga o leo e ao istasi vai no le nei fa moi ai ole nei afiafi ma tau fai atu o le nei tua o le ta'aina. Josh&Irene o lea ua saunia e le sunga ia peni ma le whakatua ma le nei tua o le tātou ainga. Se leni a wāna whawaina o lo lua ainga fau. Whapeleo lau whamatalanga. O te rei talaina pe fia a le musu mai al tamaloa. E lima afer se leni lea. E whawai lo lua ainga fau. Ia. O te whaftai atu i le paia ma mamaru a fia ne fiafu. E le toi whaloina le. Whaftai e pēna tui nātu le whongo o tātou a fiafu. Ai mātou te toi whamaro lo otu le nei fiafi lāsau si sila le tau. Se tau mo whainga vai e tui a inga. Se whai fua wa au iai. Vai atu fwoi le pa ia tele i le tua le a inga. Se tau mo whainga vai ia mātou te whamaro lo otu. Alu a vei whale o tau whiringalo pausi leo o iai se mo whaia. Ai mātou te tonu lo tau sila i le tua. Wa mangalo ane nei a inga le nei fiafi ia. E le whamata whauloina sa mātou whamatalanga. Sau se taimi ia, le e whonga tātou whiawhi nei whamatafi tātou whiawhi. E mātou koe whaatai tele ne whiawhi ma lau wharalo ma nui o tātou pō.
And our evening has come to an end.
Ang mga ako na kaya, iya ile, mape, pero